Hello everyone. So I'm new to stock and professionally I am a fan artist. I draw fan art wallpaper like Hitman, Marvel characters, anime, and sometimes portraits of people. So I earn like between 10,000 to 24,000 from this, and sometimes I stream games like PUBG, CSGO, PUBG PC, Train Station 2019, Honkai Impact 3. So with these total of this income is, I can like say like 25,000, and suppose I have some savings of 25,000. Okay, so today I am going to tell you how to use your money to increase it in a like drastic level day by day, compared to putting it in bank or in your hand. So this is how I do. This is how I did, and I saw result, and I wanted to like share with you guys so you can also do it. First thing first, you need like 50,000 money if you want to make some good income out of it. You can start with even like 50 rupees. Suppose you buy 50 shares with which price is like 1 rupee per share. So you bought 50 with 1. Now suppose when you buy it on 1 June, and on 2nd June the price goes like 2 rupees for per share. So your share price is now 1 rupees per share, means 100 rupees, right? Like you got like 100% growth here. So you sell. Here you bought, okay? Here you bought 50 shares, 1 rupee per share. You had 50 shares. Now you are selling 2 rupees per share. You are selling all of them, okay? So you made 100. You made profit of 50. So if you have account with Zerodha, damn, what's wrong with this? It cuts 14% from your profit mostly, but not more than that. So 50 minus 14% will be why it's not working. 43. So after deduction you have 43. You have invested 50, you earned 43 extra. Now you have 83, and you can do that again with 83. Like you buy 83 shares, 1 rupee per per share. You have 83 shares. You sell them when they goes to 2. So 2 into 83. Whatever you make minus 14%. The rest is your net profit. So that is like a really small amount. Like you can't survive with that money. Like and that also not safe. If you suppose 1 rupee, the price of your share you bought with 1 rupee, right? Suppose it goes to like 0.50. So there you lose your money here 50%. So it's a 50-50 chance. So it's a good thing that you invest big. So if you win, you win big. Now you can tell me that if I invest like big amount, I can lose big money. Yes, you can, but there is a good thing in investing big money. Suppose I will example with myself. Okay, I'll give you example with myself. Suppose I invested 50K on UBI, United Bank of India shares. Okay, today yesterday I checked, their price was like 10.60 INR. Okay, so I bought like 1700. So it was like almost 18K. Okay, so let's make this 18K. Okay, so now today if I see the price has went to 11.60, I made 1 rupee on each share, means I had 1700 shares. I made 1700 in one day. Okay, so if you go to work, if you go to job, how much you can earn? 300 per day, 1000 per day maximum. Suppose you work in a high quality like job or something, you earn 4000 5000 per day, and then you don't have to like invest this. Then you can invest like 5 lakh. I'm sure you have that if you earn 5000 per day. So if you're a middle class person who has 50K in anywhere, or maybe 20K, you can invest this way. I said I will show you with 50K, and the good reason for this. Good reason is this. You invested 50K. Suppose the price goes like 1 rupee down. Okay, so you bought like 200 shares. The price goes 1 rupee down, means you bought it in 1 rupee. Okay, so you had 200. Now if it goes 1 rupee, means 100. So you have 100 now, but you are holding it. Market gone down doesn't mean it will stay there. It will go up again. So you're holding here. You wait 1 day, you wait 2 day, you wait 3 day. Suppose the 4th day market goes up, all the way up. Suppose the price goes to like 3 rupees. Now what the scenario is, you have 200, 3 into 200, you have 600 rupees now. Sorry, 600 profit now. So that's the reason, like I showed you 200 rupees one share 1 rupees. So you made 600 here, you have extra 400, right? So if you did this with 50k, okay, I'll show you what I did. I had 50,000 rupees, okay. I bought United, no, not United. I bought this share, RCom, Reliance Communication, okay. It's a huge company, you know. So their share was going exact 1 rupee by that time. I saw that and it was really easy for me to calculate. I bought 50k shares. Ah, damn. I don't know why it's happening. So I have 50k shares right now, okay. I waited like 20 minutes. 20 minutes, guys. I was watching the like other shares and then I saw the price went to 1.90 INR per share. I went to sell, like I was so happy seeing that. You can see like 90 paisa per share profit, like almost 90%. So what I did here, I clicked on sell button here and I was like thinking how much I should sell. So I was placing the quantity. I placed all 50k. Then I went to limit price. I saw the price was LTP, last traded price. I saw that went to like 1.95 and that gave me a hint like I can, why don't I like hit for 2 rupees, right? So I hit I was going to type 2 but I typed 3, okay, 3 rupees. So what happened, I placed the order booked, and just the order booked I saw the price is 250 and I was like super excited, but then it went down to 210, okay. Then again it went to like 190 and I thought like it could go like 1 rupee again. What I did, I modified the orders. I modified the orders. I modified it to like 2 rupees for 50k shares and the order got like executed. What happened here? You tell me what happened here. I bought in 1 rupees, 1 into 50k. I had shares of 50k. Now suddenly it became 2 and I had 100k. So you can see I made profit of 50k in 20 minutes. Well, now I won't say that yo like see I made 50k in 20 minutes. You can do it too. No, I am not saying that. I am saying that it was my luck. It could be your luck too. Now, if I didn't invest this money, if I bought like 1k, it can become it could be like 2k now, right? So I made 1k in one day. Then it will be like 14% minus from there. It will be like probably let's say 800. So you made 800 in one day. It's a different thing. But here I made 50k. So now you can see why you should invest big and big. Also you could have like a loss, but I told you before, like you have to wait and the market will go up again. So here I had 50k. Sorry, what's wrong with me? So you can see here I have 50k minus 14%. which will be 43,000. Easy peasy. So now I total have, like, now if I withdraw this whole money, I have 93k, right? But I will not. What I suggest you never invest, withdraw the whole money. You always invest the profit you made, which is 43k, goes to mutual fund or FD or gold or share again. You can keep it here, and then next time you can buy with 83k. You can buy 83k shares with 1 rupees, right? So what I do, I don't reinvest that money. What I do, I had 43k. I had 43k. I'll take it in bank. Okay, one day. Suppose one day. Okay, suppose day two. Again, I invested 50k, and today suppose I had like 0.05, not 0.50 guys, 0.05 per share. What will happen? I had 50k shares, means 50,000 into 0.05. What will be the price? 2500. So 52,500. So I made profit of 2500 here, which is really less, and then again minus 14%, which is brokerage and all taxes here. Now I have 2150. So this is my one day income. So someday you make 43k, someday you make 2.1k, right? So if you withdraw this money every day, suppose you make profit every day, suppose you make 1000 profit per day, in the end of the month you earn 30k, right? Suppose you make 100 rupees per day, in the end you have 3000 per day, sorry, 3000 per month, right? So uh, what uh, what you are doing here, if you work, okay, you have to give, you have to work at least 8 hours to make 1000 per day in a work normal job, like where you have to like do hard work. Okay, you can't make it in 20 minutes, you can't make it in like sitting here for whole day. If you sit somewhere, sit for 24 hours, do nothing, you can have this money. But in share market you can you invested your money in a company like Arcom, TCS, or any company. You invested your money, they are using your money. Okay, you sent your money, whatever it is, this is your money, you sent it to Arcom, they used your money and make it grow. And once their money has grown, the share value will their share value grows goes up. Once it goes up, you can sell it in higher price, right? Once you sell it in higher price, you get profit. Okay, let me tell you one thing. This is this is called intraday trading. Those who have those who are in share market, they knows intraday is not like good for like most people, because you win one day, you win second day, you win third day, you lose for entire month. That can happen because market never goes like this. Market goes like this, right? So if you bought a share here and you sell it here or here, you make profit plus plus. Or if you buy it here and it goes down all the way down, you make huge loss. Now suppose it was 2008, this is 2019. Now you can see how much you have to like wait for your money to get back to that level. Like you thought like it will go up, but it didn't go. Sometime it went, but again it fall, right? It went again, it fall. So you have to like fight with your fear and fight with your greed, and you have to wait. You wait. Suppose this is 2021. Suppose you invested 5 lakhs here or 50k here, and this money goes. The money goes here. Suppose this is 20% profit. Okay, so if you see by this level, this is higher, 20% extra. So per share is like I said, 1 rupee per share. So 1 into 20% is 1.20. 1.20 into 50k, like 0.20 into 50k, what it will be? 10,000. You made profit of 10,000. So this is what I was telling. This is loss. If you make 10,000, 2018 to 2021, sorry, 2008 to 2001, that's a huge loss. Like you could use that money in some other way. You could use it in business. You can get more money, right? So this is the like scariest part in intraday trading. Like you have to wait, and your wait can lead to like long term. But this can like when it goes to long term, like you can see 2008, whenever we cross 1 year, we go to long term. So you can see when you crossed 1 year by waiting and waiting, you made 10,000 there, right? 10k there, that is tax free because you waited for long term. Now suppose the market when you bought the share was here, you bought it here, and in 30 years market went down, went up, went down, went up, and now market is here today, current date 2008, 2020. Okay, 12 years. Suppose the price was 1 rupee that day, and today the price is 2000 rupees. You invested 50k on this date, and you waited and you waited till this. Now if you sell here, what you will get? 50k into 2000. How much that is? Do the math. It's a huge money, guys. It's a huge money. 10 crore. It's 10 crore, guys. 10 CR. Okay, now is it tax free? No, it is not. There are certain levels of your profit where you have to pay certain tax, but still, after the deduction of like brokerage and tax, you still can have. Suppose I'll say like you lost one crore in the everything. Okay, which never happens. Suppose you have 9 crore. Now in 12 years, is 9 crore worthy? Of course it is. You can't earn even 1 crore in 12 years in a normal job. You cannot. Not possible. If you do a normal 8-hour duty, not possible. You can see that here, like 8k into 12 months, 84k into 12. How much that will be? 1008k. Which means not that much. How much it is? 10 lakh, 8,000. So you worked for 12 years in a normal job. Okay, I didn't add the salary increase. I just counted it that way. Even if you had like 10% salary growth, you can maximum get to like 12 to 16 lakhs here. Not 9 crore. Not even 1 crore. So do you think it's you tell me what do you think about it? It's good or bad or 50-50? Which one it is? For me it's good. It's good. So what I can suggest you, you invest 50k daily if you get profit in same day. If you get, like I said, you invest 50k, 1 rupee share goes 2 rupee, you made 4k or whatever x INR you made. You side that x INR profit in your bank, you invest 50k, next day again. It doesn't matter how much you get every day. What matters is you get profit every day, no matter what, how small. Today you made x, yesterday you made y, tomorrow you will make z. So it could be 5k, it could be 4K, it could be 2K. In total, in 3 days, it will be 549 to 11. You made in 3 days. Okay, it could be 1 rupee too per day. Like you made so much loss, but you had like 1 rupee profit today. That can happen. Of course, that can happen. So the good thing here is you never run in loss. Okay, now when I say you never run in loss, that doesn't guarantee you never, but it's your duty to research, observe, and invest in correct company, right? Suppose someone tells me that you can buy shares of TCS today, which is a good company. Everyone knows that. Tata Consultancy Services is a good company. It always goes up, sometimes comes down, but mostly goes up and up. So the share value mostly above 2000, mostly stays there and goes up to like 24,000, 2400. So suppose you make a wrong decision and you buy it at 2400, and then the price goes down to 2000. So here you made 4000 loss, which can be like really difficult to like recover, because we don't know when it will go back to 2500 in future. It could take 1 month, it could take 1 year, but for someone who bought it on 2000, which is a price of low market, so they have like high probability of making profit. Like if I bought it in 2000, there the market always goes between 2100 to 2300 mostly. If you see this, I studied this and I'm saying it by from that, but it doesn't matter, like it will never happen like in most cases. Okay, so you have to study about that company, how it grows. So once you have seen it, you know it will grow from your research, and if it was right, if your research was good, then you will get profit every day, even if it is 1 rupee. Now I can't tell you that, like I can't suggest you which one you should buy and which one you should sell, when you should sell, but I can say like you should buy the shares always when you see the price is below average, like graph is going like this and that. So you always try to buy the share when the price is here. Now this scenario should be in maximum 6 months, and you see when it goes up and when it goes down in last 6 months, and how much time it took to recover, so that will tell you that how long you have to wait for your money to give you returns. So if you see that distance is comfortable, you can wait for that much, you invest. If you see the distance is so long, suppose if you see a 6 month report and the price is like this, so it was 1 month, it was second, it was third, it was fourth, it was fifth, it was sixth, seventh, eighth. So you bought the share here, it went up, and then it went below your rate. Now you don't know when it will go up. You have no idea. If you have a like, it doesn't matter if you have a good luck. The company have to work, right? If the company is not going doing well, then it will go down. If suddenly, like after collapsing company makes some good profit, it will go like this up. So you have to do research and you have to keep an eye on the news always. So what my plan, what I did, I am doing right now, I invest 50k daily. I get XYZ profit from it daily. I withdraw XYZ to bank, and I save 20% of this XYZ amount in savings. It could be anything, mutual fund, anything. You can do anything. And the 80%, 60% goes to my necessity, like things I really need to buy, like grocery and of all month. I can do this like if it was like my 1 month income, and other 20% I will do luxury things, like I may buy a watch. I can buy a new monitor if I need one. I can buy a soft chair maybe for my gaming. So you should always like no matter what money you made, if you made 1000, you always save 20% of it for future use. Okay, and 60% will go to your necessity, 20% will go to your luxury. And what you do with the 50k in the share market, you will keep reinvesting. It should never go down below 49k. Whenever it does, you should be careful with your money and you should stop. You should wait. Don't let your greed take over or your fear take over. You should wait. Once it goes 51k or 1 crore, just saying, take a look on the news, take a look on the company profile, how it's going, what's their strategy, and if you think the market will go up, you can wait. If you think the market will go down, sell it on 51k, make 1k profit, withdraw it. Now if you want to invest in long term, I will say you can try to buy the companies which are like running in little bit low, like their share value is low, like 10 rupees or 30 rupees or 300 rupees, and they are like growing. They are not like down always. They are growing and down, growing and down, like this company. Buy shares of this company. So in 10 years, in 20 years, in 30 years, this company's growth will be like this. If they are like this, yeah, they come to this category. But if they come to this category, then your money will go down and down. You can try that. Well, I'm not investing for like 20-30 years, so I can't tell you if it will be profitable, but you can always ask the people who are investing for long term. I don't, so I can't tell you, but I think that will be a good strategy. If I do someday, I will do it this way. So that's it, guys. You can make 1000 rupees easily per day in stocks. So that's my stocks and strategy. You can apply it if you want. Give me a like and subscribe to my channel. I'm really new. I will show you my live investments in next video, and I'll show you how I make these profits. I just talked to you, so you can trust me and you can do it yourself. Thank you, everyone.